Hello everybody and welcome to my third video, I guess. So today we are going to be reviewing this M1 Abrams tank from Battle Brick. And the seller was Bricks Anywhere. And I also picked up this guy for about $16 or so. Pretty cool. He came with a custom gun, another gun right there, SWAT shield, helmet with night vision, flash grenade, pretty cool, but I'll take that aside. We got this M1 Abrams tank, I got it for $100, not $145, it was just an incorrect sticker. So yeah, there is a piece of sticker, tape, whatever you like to call it, right there. So there are many others in the series. So that's the Ultra M1A2, which I did not get. Then there's the SWAT truck. There's the Sherman from World War II, Panzer, German bunker, and Army helicopter. Now, today in the review, we are going to be doing the overall rating. We are going to be showing some pictures of it and the playability, if that's even a word. Yeah, and so 239 Lego pieces, actual Lego, and 88 custom thread links. And according to the box, it's ages 12 plus. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. Anyways, unboxing. And I'm done building it, so it comes with a nice little minifigure right here. Pretty much all custom. We got this nice tank, that was the main build. So, it comes with this gun right here, then swervable top of the tank right there, antenna things, whatever you like to call them. Nice detail right there, pretty smooth. This part too. I think this part out of all of it looks the best. So, I guess the looks on it about 8, the durability about 9, the building process probably a 7. It's not that good. Box 8, I guess. It's not too bad, not too good though. So this is their instruction manual, Battle Brick Customs. Am I missing a piece? Blah, blah, blah. Then we got the actual instructions. Pretty nice. I did have to get something to hold it down. But now we got a bonus. So I'm going to rate this guy, which is SWAT. I showed at the beginning of the video. It is one of their minifigures. Pretty nice. I would say 9.5 out of 10. And it's really cheap for a custom like this, in my opinion. I got it for $16, and that for $100, and on their website it's $90 and $11, I think. Because the reason why I got the higher prices was because I bought it at Brick Universe, which is a Lego convention in Raleigh. And this is their business card right here. Who I got it from, this is their business card, Bricks Anywhere. So yeah, it's pretty nice. And they did not sponsor me or whatever to say this. This is just opinions by myself. So yeah, why don't we get to the nice pictures of it and stuff. Yeah. so, thank you for watching. Happy July 4th, if you're watching this when it comes out. So yeah, overall, Battle Bricks, amazing. Bricks Anywhere, amazing. Yeah, so thank you for watching. You don't need to like, you don't need to subscribe, you don't need to comment. Just do whatever you want. Just be free. You don't have to do anything. I'm not asking you to do anything. Alright. Thank you once again. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.